If you're anything like me, I'm sure one of the last things you want to think about on vacation is doing laundry. Isn't that why you came on vacation? To get away from that stuff? I did recently overcome my vacation laundry aversion when I figured out that I could spend $7 and do a load of laundry sometime during my cruise, or check a $35 bag on the airplane each way. Instead, I just brought a carry-on, and my fuzzy math shows that I saved myself about $63. On Carnival Conquest, like most Carnival ships, there are passenger laundry rooms on each of the stateroom floors. I investigated 2 or 3 of the different laundry rooms, and each one was clean, well maintained, and everything inside was in good working condition. The washer tubs were deep, and the dryers were big as well. The washer runs for about 20 minutes, and the dryer is about 45. That gives you just enough time to pop down to the atrium bar for a cocktail and then come back and check on your laundry. I brought a couple of Tide Pods and some dryer sheets from home, but if you've forgotten yours, there are laundry detergent items for sale in the laundry rooms. Most of the laundry facilities in the Carnival fleet are cashless. Just follow the instructions with your room card and your onboard Sail and Sign account will be charged. Again, current pricing is $3.50 for a wash and $3.50 to dry. There is a ship phone in each laundry room if you need it, and I have to say that the busiest I saw the laundry rooms was the line to use the complimentary iron and ironing board. Very, very popular, especially on elegant nights. So, happy vacation laundering, my friends. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite laundry room cocktail is, and check out some of these other videos we've made.